High punch tool. This product is made of high-quality aluminum, featuring an overall black color with silver edge finishing. The edges are exquisitely crafted to prevent scratching hands. The surface is engraved with delicate mark patterns, combining practicality with visual texture. Comb is with the default 4mm hole diameter and is equipped with 3mm, 3.5mm drilling heads and tool replacement. Ripple gaskets to meet different hole drilling needs. Equipped with 3mm, 3.5mm, 4mm sharp, absorber core clamping positions for stable holding. It has 2mm, 3mm, 3.5mm, 4mm, 5mm shock absorber core detection. Position simply insert the core to check if it is bent. Besides, it can fix plugs to assist in welding operations. Provided with multi-specification shock absorber cover installation, removal holes, to fit various models. Ball and install remover. Built-in ball bead installer remover for convenient handling of ball bead components.